Genetically Modified Organism. Ang GMO o Genetically Modified Organism ay isang halaman, hayop o microorganism na binago ang DNA o genes gamit ang makabagong teknolohiya upang magkaroon nito ng mas magandang katangian. Nagsimula ang pagbuo ng GMO noong 1973 nang magtagumpay na mabago nina Stanley Cohen at Herbert Boyer ang DNA ng isang bakterya. Mula noon, patuloy na napaunlad ang teknolohiya at nagsimula itong gamitin sa agrikultura, medisina at paggawa ng pagkain. Ginawa ang GMO upang maging mas matibay ang pananim laban sa peste at sakit. Mas mabilis lumaki, mas mataas ang ani, at magkaroon ng mga maraming sustansya. Halimbawa nito ang BT corn, na may gene mula sa isang bakteryang kayang-kaya nitong labanan ang ilang uri ng insekto. Isa pang halimbawa ang golden rice, na may dagdag na vitamin A upang makatulong sa mga taong kulang ang bitamina, lalo na sa mga bata. Mayroon ding rainbow papaya, na ginawa upang maging mas matibay laban sa papaya ring spot o virus. At Arctic apple, na hindi agad nangingitim kapag hiniwa. Sa aking pananaw, malaking tulong ang GMO dahil nakatutulong ito sa pagtaas ng produksyon ng pagkain, pagpapabuti ng kalidad ng mga tanim, at pagtulong sa mga magsasaka. Gayunpaman, mahalaga pa rin patuloy itong pag-aralan at suriin upang matiyak na ligtas ito sa kalusugan ng tao at sa kapaligiran. Sa tamang paggamit at mahigpit na pagsusuri, maaaring maging mahalagang bahagi ang GMO sa pagtugon sa malaking pangangailangan sa pagkain ng mundo.
A GMO dragon fruit could have higher nutritional value, better resistance to pests and disease, a longer shelf life, and improved growth, making it more affordable and reducing food waste.
So when it comes to societal problems or need, would this genetically modified fruit address? When it comes to malnutrition and vitamin A deficiency, in the Philippines and other countries, many kids lack vitamin A, which causes blindness. A nutrient-rich fruit helps address this. When it comes to food security, longer shelf life means less food waste during transport and storage. Farmers lose less and consumers have access even longer. When it comes to farming challenges, more resilient fruit can reduce crop loss from post and spoilage.
Group choose dragon fruit. It is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. We imagine increasing its nutrients content and extending its shelf life.
Choose our GMO dragon fruit, a healthier, more nutrition fruit designed to help fight vitamin A deficiency, reduce food waste through a longer shelf life, and support farmers with a better harvest. Together, science and innovation can help build a healthier future. Genetic modification can help address hunger and nutrition challenge by producing fruits with improved nutrients, higher yields, and better resistance to disease. However, consumer and regulators should ensure that GMO products are truly tested and safely, properly labeled, and carefully monitored before they reach the market.